Hi guys. Today's book is Monkey with a Tool Belt. Another one of my favorites. Let's go see. Monkey with a Tool Belt. There is Chico Bon Bon. He's got quite the tool belt, doesn't he? He is a monkey. Chico is a monkey with a tool belt. See all his tools? It's crazy. He is quite handy with tools. He builds and fixes all sorts of things. Some of Chico's tools. All his tools fit on his belt. Every day, Chico builds or fixes something for his friends and his family. He is very creative, as you can see. He builds a dock for the ducks and a clock for the clucks. He uses his nippers for nipping and tucks. He uses his level on a toy box for Neville. Wood wonglers are needed to make this nice bevel. He builds a go-kart for Go-Go to transport the skunks and a small roller coaster for local chipmunks. He'll need all his drill bits to fix up this ramp, plus a chisel, a frizzle, and a giant C-clamp. It's very busy. Sometimes he makes mistakes. The seesaw was upside down, but he just finds the right tool and fixes it. One day, Chico noticed a banana split on a tiny table across the road from his house. Oh, yum. Looks so good. That's peculiar. He went over to investigate. Chico tasted the mysterious banana split. It was fake. He wondered why a banana split would be made of plastic. Just then, a big box came down on top of him. It was a trap. He was captured. You can dance, can't you? He looked out of the hole in the box and saw an organ grinder from the circus. Ooh, creepy. Right? The organ grinder needed a new monkey. His old monkey, Bobo, had run away earlier that week with the help of several circus tigers. Whoa, he ran far away. Chico could not get out. The organ grinder locked the box and bungeed it to his bicycle. He rode a long, long way. Wow, he certainly did. Can you see all that? Took a long trip back to the circus. It was a rough ride. Chico felt lucky the banana split wasn't real. He would have been covered in ice cream. Well, that probably would have been a good thing. Then you could eat it. Anyway, the organ grinder rode all the way to the circus camp on the other side of town. They're always on the other side of town, aren't they? He carried the box inside his trailer. He began to make dinner. He used an egg beater, a blender, a can opener, a vacuum cleaner, and a coffee grinder. It was all extremely noisy. Chico watched him through the hole in the box. The man didn't realize that Chico was wearing his tool belt. Cool. Chico had a plan. He stuck his measuring tape through the hole. He measured the hole. He wrote down the numbers with his pencil and divided by 47. He put a bendy extender with a rear view mirror attached on his drill. It just barely fit through the hole. He loosened the screws on the box with the drill. He double-checked the organ grinder. Oh, he's so clever. He used a mini file to make the hole bigger. He made the hole even bigger with a tiny hacksaw, a hole razor, a 1/2-inch Bieber saw, small Jimmy Jubber, and some sandpaper. He sliced the plastic banana split with his utility knife, lemon squeezer, flashlight, banana peeler. He disguised the hole with sawdust, spackle, and a piece of the plastic banana split. Then he made a loud water buffalo noise with his kazoo. Ooga! The organ grinder looked over. What? He walked over to the box. Bam! Suddenly, Chico used his rubber hammer on the man's big toe. The man leaped back on one foot, holding his big toe and hopping about. Chico pushed open the box lid and jumped out. He ran out the door. He ran and ran and ran until he saw a bus. It's a long way. He fished some change out of his tool belt and got on the bus. He rode the bus to his house. Chico was home. I wonder what he'll build tomorrow. Look at all his ideas. Up, and he shot out of the cannon. Bye, Chico. Well, I hope you like this book, because I sure do. He's pretty handy. All right, you guys. Miss you. Love you. See you later.